Hey y'all, so y'all already know what time it is. We're doing wholesale. I did start wanting wholesale. What day did I start that? A couple days ago. I can't remember exactly what day, but I did start it a couple days ago. So now you are able to get the wand tubes filled. The mirror wand tubes. You're able to get these filled now. They are all cleaned and washed off. I did that 2 days ago and let them air dry. She ordered 20 squeeze tubes and 10 wand tubes. She wants the colors Obsessed, Boss Bid for Keeps, and Sunkissed. She wants 5 of each for the squeeze tubes, and then for the 10 wand tubes, she just wants Sunkissed and for Keeps, and she wants 5 of each. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. Excuse my ugly handwriting. I just wanted to, you know, get it down so I can remember what she wants. As y'all can see back there, y'all can kind of see this one is empty, but there's still a little bit in there, so I'm gonna use that, and then we're gonna start on the new floss bag I got. You know what? I started doing the wand tube wholesale on May 1st because she was my first customer for the wand tubes, actually. So I was very excited about that. Like, I just released it and I already got an order for the wand tubes. That's crazy. It's amazing. So yeah, if y'all interested in that, make sure y'all check the description box. There'll be a link and it'll take you to my website, and y'all can go ahead and check out the prices. Y'all, I really believe that this is gonna be my greatest month this year. Like, so far I've been doing really good with like orders, period. I've been getting regular orders and I've been getting wholesale orders. I've been getting orders like every week, and that's amazing, because at one point in my business, you know, it was going very slow. There were some weeks where I wasn't getting orders, but now I'm getting orders every week. So I'm definitely growing. My business Instagram is growing, even my YouTube's growing. Like, everything is just growing, and I'm truly grateful. I'm truly grateful. I did want to do another inventory haul because I ordered a lot of stuff. So I feel like this video, well, yeah, this video will go up before the other two, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But I did want to do a inventory haul. But as y'all can see, I did start using the stuff. Y'all probably won't care though, so I'll probably still do it. But yeah, I'm changing out my oils. Made sure that I got non-GMO oils. So these ones right here are non-GMO. So this one's grapeseed and this one is castor oil. These are the oils that I'll be using from now on. I may add in more oils, but for right now, this is what I'm going to be using. Anyways, oh yeah, and let me shout her out again. So I found this girl on Instagram. This is her business Instagram. Tipsy Glosses. This is where I got my Versagel from. This is 2 pounds. I think she does have one that's bigger than this. I think it's a 10-pound bag, if you want that. Or this. And she has, I think she has a smaller bag too. So make sure y'all go ahead and check her out. And her prices are very affordable. So this is her Instagram. TIPSYGLOSSES. Like, with everything going on, the freaking gloves are sold out on Amazon. Look, let's see. I'm gonna be running out soon. Really soon. Like, really soon be running out. So I went on Amazon the other day trying to see, you know, maybe they still have some gloves up there. I think I found some, but the shipping was like $15.98, and then the gloves were like probably like $7 or $10, something like that. I don't want to pay that. So I don't know where I'm gonna get gloves from, because they really don't have any. And then I use these wipes, and I'm almost out of these too. As y'all can see, I'm almost out of these. My grandma does have another pack, so I'm gonna use those. She said I could have them, but I looked online for these too, and they sold out. Where am I supposed to get my stuff from, y'all? Where am I supposed to get it from? I need help. But yeah, so like y'all already know, I think I mentioned this before, I also do content for my business Instagram, and then for YouTube. So I'm going to do probably, let's see, I got 10 wand tubes to make. So I'll probably do 2 wand tubes, well 4 in total. So 2 of each color for my business Instagram, and then I'll fill the other ones up on camera for y'all. And then for the squeeze tube, I'll do probably, yeah, probably 2 of each color also. So I am gonna go ahead and do that first, and I'm gonna do the mixing and stuff for my Instagram. I try to keep content flowing.
What exactly do you
All right, y'all, so everything is mixed up. Got the oils in there and the pigment.
She's a lawyer. Yeah, and the business partners. What's going on?
Time to start filling.
Did your uncle just get released from a mental hospital? What are you talking about right now?
All right, y'all.
If I go there, I am.
So I got
There's gonna have to be some place.
these done so far. Only 4 glosses. It is very, very time consuming when you're filming content for Instagram and YouTube. But yeah, I got these ones done. They look so pretty. And I got these done. So pretty. And this is what she's giving. Real nice color.
I can't do this anymore.
Y'all, we on to the last one now. We on to the last one. Sun Kiss. We got 10 more glosses to fill. And then we'll be done. All right, y'all, so I am now done. All I gotta do is get them cleaned off because as y'all can see the gloss all on them. But this is Sunkiss. So pretty. Let's have a look in the wands. And this is how it looks in the squeeze tubes. So y'all, I do have I don't know if I should just wait until the inventory haul. I'll show y'all then, but I will be having some new glosses coming out soon. I just have to order the rest of the stuff, but yeah, I will have some more glosses being added to the wholesale list and also to the website for a regular purchase, so be on the lookout for that. I am officially done and my phone is about to die. I have like 11% now. Your girl has been working, okay? Oop. So this is it right here. These are the glosses. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I'll probably add in I'm gonna show y'all me packaging it. Yeah, this is how the glosses look right now. All right, y'all, so now that I have all the tubes with the tops on, I'm just going to clean them off. So this is the disinfectant soap in some very, very hot water. And yeah, I'm just gonna put those in there and let them get clean. Y'all, this water is very, very hot. And this just gets all of the excess gloss off of the tubes so they won't be sticky. I think that everybody should do this if you're making lip gloss. Yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and let them sit in here for a while so they can get soaked off, so the gloss can get soaked off. And I'm just gonna clean up everything that is around here. so that once they're done soaking off, I can take my pictures, make my videos or whatever, and then be done for the night.